missed you guys, just in case you didn't know, and I can't wait to get back into the swing of things. It's been 3 long months since I've actually released a video, and I've just had a lot of things going on, several deaths in the family, and my son graduated from high school, trying to get him together for college and everything else. So, life has still been going on over here, as I'm sure it has for you. But I wanted to take a few moments to just share something with you guys, because I'm cleaning. Cleaning still goes on, even though I haven't released a video. But I just bought an air purifier. It's called the Rainbow. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of Rainbow, but I am trying it out. So I'm going to show you a quick video of what I did downstairs for my entryway carpet when I vacuumed it up. And I'm in my bedroom right now cleaning the mattress, or just vacuuming the mattress. And the mattress attachment is supposed to go 6 to 8 inches deep into the mattress, to pull up dust mites and dust and all of the dust mites, fecal matter and things of that nature. So yeah, I know, disgusting, but I'm excited about it, and I'm gonna show you a little snippet of it. My room is a mess because I have neglected our bedroom for quite some time now, but I'm going to show you the bedroom. No judgment. Thank you so much. I'm going to get it together. I'm going to declutter, and I'm going to share that with you. It's definitely going to be a process, but I'm going to get it done for you, or get it done and share it with you guys. So right now I'm just going to go into the bedroom, give you a quick overview just so you'll see what I'm doing. I've already actually started. The water is kind of dusty and dirty. Oh, so the Rainbow, the concept of it is, how when you're dusting and you're cleaning and the dust and dirt, it pretty much just settles somewhere else. Like you stir it up and then it settles somewhere else. Well, the concept of the Rainbow is that wet dust doesn't fly. So everything that I clean and vacuum, it goes into the water, and I dump the water in the toilet and flush it down. So it has been amazing to watch. You know how I like to clean, guys, and just to see all of this dust and dirt coming into the water. Oh my God. It's been crazy just watching this happen. So I'm gonna stop talking, show you a brief overview, and then show you the clip of my rug from downstairs, my entryway, and then I'm going to show you the water from cleaning my mattress and my headboard, and I even did a little bit of my mirror. So let me show you guys. Okay, so like I said, the room is a mess. You can see I have just clothes that we're going through, trying to get decluttered or whatever. The pillows, I'm washing the sheets and everything now, so the bed has been stripped. And I'm washing the sheets. I've been working on the mattress already, but I still have so much stuff to clean. We were on vacation, so I still have suitcase over there. I'm trying, oh Lord, that's a bra. Okay. But I still have shoes and everything over here to get out and donate. My birthday was last week, so I still have gifts that I have to put up or whatever, and just stuff. I was shredding papers. I have papers all over there on my desk. It's a lot. So, and nightstands are just terrible. So again, no judgment, but I just wanted to share with you, because I wanted to be transparent. Life happens. This is a room that has just been neglected, but I promise it's going to be a great retreat soon. I'm going to work on it. But anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit of the Rainbow. Let me go back over here real quick. Okay, so this is the Rainbow. And it's like this. And there's a water basin there that I put fresh water in. Well, it's dirty now, but you start off with fresh water. And then this is the hose and everything that it goes with. This is the mattress attachment here. So I'm about to put this on and show you guys how that works. to get in real quick and show you. Take this off. This is a magnet here, and you just take that off. And then I just need to lift that. And like I said, I'd already been cleaning the mattress, but I just want to show you guys the dust and everything that gathered from the mattress, from the mirror. And I also did like the pictures that are above my wall of me and my husband. But can you see all that stuff floating, guys? Do you see that? And then just the thick pieces of dust that's back up in there. It's all in the water. That's the beauty of this thing. So I'm so excited to use it all over the house. And I must say that I've noticed like a difference in just the air quality in the room since I've been using it, because I did vacuum all downstairs. Let me turn you around real quick, because I vacuumed downstairs too, and I didn't get any video of me vacuuming downstairs because I was just testing it out. Like I said, I just got it last week, and I just was bit by the cleaning bug today, and I wanted to start doing some cleaning, but I'm not going to finish tonight. I just wanted to do my bed to see how this actually works. And as you saw, there was like so much dust in there. I don't know what else is floating around in there, but I'm about to go dump it. And my sheets should be dried now, and I'm gonna go ahead and make up my bed or whatever. But I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you guys my new cleaning tool. So stay tuned, because I will be putting up another video where I'm gonna clean my whole room, so you'll see everything. But I just wanted to pop in and say hi, and show you the new tool, and just let you guys know that I miss you, and I will be back soon. And I thank you guys so much for all of your support, and some of you have been rewatching videos and letting me know, because we do have fall and Christmas are coming up, so you know, and I will be starting on all of that soon, but I do want to go ahead and get all of this cleaning out of the way. But I just wanted to thank you guys too for continuing to support me and my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys and bring you more great content here this week. I am going to have a full video out, so I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Y'all, look at all of this dust and dirt. Oh my God, it's so disgusting. I can't believe all of this was like in my carpet, and that's water in there, and I just vacuumed up all of the dust and dirt and stuff off the floor and trapped it in there. Oh my God, it's so disgusting. I can't wait to show you guys the full thing.